Once you understand how AI interprets your store, the next step is making your pages impossible to misunderstand. That's what AI SEO implementation is for. Traditional SEO was built around keywords and backlinks, but AI search is different. It's about clarity, structure, and how confidently an AI system can identify who you serve and what you sell. In this service, we rebuild the pages that matter most: your homepage, your key products, your collections, and your supporting content. We rewrite and reorganize everything through the lens of AI shopping, so your store sends the right signals in the right order with the right level of depth. The result? AI tools understand your brand more clearly, recommend you more confidently, and steer more buyers your way. If you're ready for the implementation phase, where strategy turns into revenue, this is the place to start. Click below to learn more about AI SEO implementation.